probably, if he...
I would get another ticket for not driving my own car.
He might detain us for the fact that, you know...
It's not our car.
Yeah.
Because it would be like permanent registration, and I'd be like,
yeah.
stop!
Is that a cop?
No. Cool!
Slaughterhouse Road. Slaughterhouse Road. What if we just hit a bump and like flew?
I think that's coming up here in a second. We the losers, yeah!
Pizza chicken! Pizza chicken! Pizza chicken! Pizza chicken!
When I ride with the team, I've been feeling grateful just for everything. Good to be alive after everything, and not just to survive, but to
Girls transforming. Good morning.
Morgan here, featuring Michelle. On time. Can I have Holly coffee? Here at camp. What's good? Here learning about some Jesus. About to have breakfast.
Eggs and bacon, I bet you.
Eggs and bacon?
wait, probably
No.
Food for
subscribe
breakfast.
and click the little bell to get notifications whenever I upload.
For one something out of one.